6,088 miles on this 2019 Sport Glide. Really interesting slimmed out version on a Softail model with a minor fairing that's been improved with a windshield. And LED headlights. You got the inverted forks, giving you a lot more stability on the road, a lot more traction. Brembo brakes for stop and power, 6-speed transmission, 107 CI Milwaukee-Eight engine, and uniquely these bags that open up on the side, giving you easy access to what's inside. You also have an easy notch to turn exactly to take these off if you wish, and that red latch there is to pull that off. We have LEDs in the rear as well. Sissy bar with a backrest. Solo seat with a passenger pillion. SNS, stage 1 has been done with an SNS cycle, air intake, and the 2 and the 1 Cobra exhaust. Absolutely beautiful machine to add to our used bike collection. Come on by today for a test ride. That's the only way to feel a real motorcycle. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Hope to see your knuckles in the wind today.